This will be a video on a new unused 2023 Chery equipment mini excavator. It's going to come with the grapple, mounting bracket, an extra bucket, with the one already on there, backfill blade. New unused, no hours. Let's see what else about her. Got your auxiliaries right here. Those will go down for plugging in if you wanted to put a grapple, hydraulic ram on there or something. Let's jump on. We'll move her around and do all that.